Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can capture your performance with Wan AI. In order to do so, here we are at Wan.video and we're all locked in and we have captured our performance already. So I'm going to show you the result here. It did take a little bit of time to generate because we are using the free version, but you can do this too. So I will show you how we do that. So first off, here is the performance. I promise, if you back me for mayor, I will use my AI companion ethically. So that's the result. How did we do it? Well, what we want to do is we want to enter in our image that we want to capture what we want to use the performance for. The performance is going to be this image is going to be overlaid on top of the performance. That's the right way to say it. And then here you're going to see that you have the option to upload. And what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch here because it's going to make a little bit more sense. So we're going to come back to our main page. I guess we're here already. So what you want to do is if you come down here to the bottom, you're going to see that this is going to default to video. What we want to do is we want to select avatar. And then from there, we want to upload the image that we're going to use. So this is the image that I used. And then we want to put our performance in there. Now, as far as uploading your performance goes, it doesn't seem like there is any option to record yourself in the moment. So you actually have to upload it. And you're going to see here where it says speech. That might be a little bit misleading because you might think, well, that's just the speech there, but it actually does allow you to upload video as well. And this is kind of a big deal. So what I was able to do was I was able to capture my performance. So I brought my performance here. I copied that there. So we can go ahead and do that here. We're going to say confirm. And we now have the ability to do the lip sync for the character by uploading our performance. So then from here, we can click the generate button and that will begin to generate. Now we're on the free version, as I said, so this took a little bit of time. It probably took about 30 minutes or so to get through the queue. But if you don't want to wait for that, then you can get the subscription. So let's go ahead and check out the subscription. And you can see that for the monthly, you're looking at $6.05 or $6.50 rather per month, which is really quite reasonable. That's US, and you get 300 credits per month. Now, 300 credits per month, you're probably going to get through that pretty quick. And so if you want the premium version, then you can pay $26 a month and you get 1,200 credits per month. So if you are interested in using Wan and you want to be able to capture your performance, head over to wan.video and you can follow the same process in order to capture your performance. And if you're interested in finding out more, head over to our Discord and we have a WAP AI music video course that will take you through choosing your tools and how to do lip sync so that you can create your own AI music video masterpieces for $30 one-time purchase. You will take you through our process and you can get started on your AI animation music journey. Part of the reason that we did an AI music video course is because creating an AI music video, you're going to learn a lot of the fundamentals necessary to creating all sorts of AI animation. And the lip sync, understanding how to do the lip sync, that is very useful. So with Wan, that is a key thing that we are looking at here is our ability to do lip sync, and we can do that by capturing our performance, which is really quite exciting. It's a little bit buried getting there, and understanding exactly what to click can be somewhat confusing, but that is the process. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials. You'll find all of our recommendations and promotions. You can click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account, and you can get an additional $125 per referral once you have an account open. You refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.